Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful simultaneous equation that you are told to solve. Okay, whenever you see simultaneous equation in this format, okay, most especially when it has to be an opposite sign for the two equations, just ensure that you use the elimination method and considering 2y here, okay, and considering y here, all you just need to do is, for this equation 1, here is equation 1 and here is equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. And why are you multiplying equation 1 by 2? Is for us to eliminate y, okay, and so that we have the same coefficient of y variable both on the first equation and the second equation. So by multiplying 2 here and multiplying 1 here, so equation 1 becomes 2x then plus 2y then equals 4. That is when 2 multiplies every term in the first equation. Then the same thing here, but here in this case we are multiplying 2 by 1, giving us 3x. Now minus 2y then equals negative 1. Now that we've achieved a goal by having the same coefficient for y variable, all we need to do now is to add, okay, and by adding, when we add this we have 5x. Now by adding, because of the opposite sign, it becomes what? 0, since they are having the same coefficient. Now 4 plus minus 1, that should give us 3. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So our x now equals 3 all over 5. Now the next thing we need to do is to plug in the value of x into equation 1. Why I choose equation 1 is it's simpler to evaluate. So here you have 3 over 5 then plus y equals what? 2. So all you need to do now is to subtract 3 over 5 from both sides of the equation. And by doing that, at this left hand side, this becomes 0. We are left with y, then equals 2 minus 3 over what? 5. Take note, this is the same thing as saying 1. Okay? Let us multiply both sides, both fraction here, that is both the numerator and the denominator, by 5. This is to help us achieve the same denominator. So here we have 10 over 5 minus 3 over 5. And by doing this now, we can now subtract directly the numerator, giving us what? 7 over 5. So our y is now what? 7 over 5. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.